Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a button in a dashboard using a navigation object in Tableau. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Tableau, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a button in Tableau dashboard using a navigation object allows users to easily navigate between different dashboards or sheets within a workbook, because users can quickly switch between related views or detailed reports without having to manually search for them. Now, I'm going to go to a specific tab here wherein I'm going to create a button using a navigation object. Now, I'm on the sales commission model. Let me check. Yeah, here. So I want you to make sure that you are on the dashboard tab, because that is where you can find the objects at the bottom where you can put in the navigation. All I'm gonna do is drag and drop the navigation probably around here in the top. And I'm gonna rename this one as something like maybe this. I'm gonna change the font style to maybe this one. Change the color a bit to make it more interactive. Make it bold, underline, click apply, and click on OK. Now here, click the navigation, because you can, matter of fact, you can actually edit this one or tweak to your preferences. Now, this is where you want to show where to navigate to. Right now it's none, but if you wanted to have the commission model, the customers, of course, the forecast, order details, overview performance, this is based on the information on the data that is being a part of this worksheet that you're currently working on. Probably I'm going to go to the customers for now. You see, you also have an option to edit the image. I'm gonna do that right now. Now you see the image has been added here. Let me just click the edit button again. You also have more options to choose the border color. But I'll be choosing maybe something red, and the thickness is around here. Background is gonna be a light yellow. And then of course you have an option to enter tool text here, but I'm going to click on OK and click on apply. You see, if you click on the navigation button, nothing appears here. For us to be able to do that, I need you to press Alt and then click on the navigation button. Now you see, you can also resize this to make it a little bit bigger, so that you have it's a lot easier for you to view the navigation button, or the button using the navigation object. Now, of course, it can be styled with different colors as we have done earlier, text and icons to match the dashboard's theme and improve visual appeal. Because one of the best things about using navigation buttons in Tableau dashboards, it enhances the usability and visual appeal, making it easier for users to explore and analyze data effectively. And again, you can add as many as navigation buttons as you want. And of course, you can customize it as much as you wanted. Click on edit button. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.